Hi there Sagittarius, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop with your February tarot reading. If this is the first time you've seen any of the readings, then there are two piles in front of me. One is an oracle deck and the other is a tarot. I'll literally pull an oracle card to give you the theme for the forthcoming month, and then just a couple of tarot cards on top to see if we can dig into it a bit deeper. It's just a message from the tarot. If it doesn't resonate, please don't try and make it fit. Check out your moon or your rising sign, because you may find there's a message there for you instead, or they may all come together. Sagittarius, new beginnings. I've had all these cards and I've had new beginnings for 3 signs now. It's the beginning of the year. It's spring. It's gorgeous. Right, okay, so what's that relative to? We'll consult with the tarot now. Sagittarius. Oh, power. This is about empowering time. So you are about to step into a powerful position. Ooh, okay, so at the beginning of the month, you now have, I think the new beginning may be about here time. Right, so we begin the month strong. This is a month of stepping into your own power and finding, I want to say that perfect partnership, but it's finding the other half of you. Now, whether that is with a partnership or whether that's within yourself, only you will know that. But it's very significant, and it's at the beginning of February. So something happens in your life that makes you step into your power and find that other half of you. I'm just trying to see if it's anything. It's almost like the partnership or that other half of you finally gives you strength. And as a result of that, it's almost like you're missing that little piece, that little connector, and then it comes, and it's like the key. It suddenly unfolds everything for you. And then you step into your own power. I mean, you've got the King of Swords here, which says that you are responsible for your own thought process. You feel stronger mentally and also emotionally. You feel optimistic about the future. So it does feel very much like this is a connection around a relationship, you know, or finding that other half of you, if that's not anything that really does resonate with you. But it's definitely about partnership, the other half of you, power, connection, and new beginnings. It feels as if it's once this happens and you kind of find that other missing part, that other missing link, you step into your power, you start having hope. And if you haven't been having hope, if there's something that's, you know, you feel a little bit lost, then you find your way and you're able to take care of yourself at home. So this looks at the end of the month like you're making happy home. Something's happening at home where you are literally able to take care of yourself. There's change here, isn't there? You see. I'm just listening to see if the cards want anything else, say anything else to you. It feels as if you've been a little bit lost. And you've been definitely missing that. It's all I keep getting is that you're looking for something, that you're missing that other half. And as I said, if you're in a relationship already, that doesn't mean that you're going to get a new relationship. It just means that it's going to get balanced finally. You know, there's going to be give and take here. So you get that perfect balance, that complete union, the duality that you need. It can't be one person does more than the other. This is about equality. You know, and that happens and it makes you strong. So you get strength and you get the equality and the power that comes there. And then this new beginning, you begin to see life through fresh eyes with optimism and clarity. It means you're able to take care of yourself. And then there's this thing at home. So it's like this all leads to a happy home. You know, it's a very empowering month ahead for you, Sagittarius. And yeah, this is very significant. So it'll be interesting to see what that is that comes. As I said, if it doesn't resonate, then also check out your moon or your rising sign. Thanks very much for your time. Bye-bye.